Pearl D3 is a trading and manufacturing ERP solution. So why should you consider upgrading to Pearl D3? Here are a few facts and 4 of the top reasons. Reason 1. Reduced cost. Leading industry research found that almost half of any business investment is made to reduce cost. Pearl D3 reduces operational costs by 15% and administration costs by 20% by delivering accurate real-time information about day-to-day operations to make smarter decisions. Reason 2. Data security. Pearl D3 understands that your data is important. Pearl D3 ensures accuracy by eliminating data duplication and successfully implementing big data ethics in your business. Pearl D3 also provides complete protection of data all the times by exclusively providing 2 levels, local and global backup options. Reason 3. Manage business growth. 20% of technology spending by small and mid-sized businesses aims to manage growth. Since Pearl D3 is cloud-based, workflow-oriented, and scalable, your business can easily support change and growth of operating margins. Reason 4. Adapt to global markets. Studies says 21% of investment decisions are spent for global expansion. Pearl D3 can be scaled to multiple locations and countries with single global solutions. Pearl D3, your next smart move.